Today we are starting exercise 6.3. Question number 1. In figure, sides QP and RQ of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Sides QP. Side QP is this one. It is extended to S. And side RQ is extended to T. Then angle SPR is 135 and angle SQT is 110. Find angle PRQ, and we are to find angle PRQ. Now see here, this angle is exterior angle of triangle PQR. This is also the exterior angle of triangle PQR. See here, because TR is a line, angle TQP plus angle PQR is equal to 180. Because these are forming a linear pair. PQR is this angle. Angle TQP and angle PQR is equal to 180. Then angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 110, because TQP was 110, it is equal to 70. Then we have got this angle as 70 degree. Now angle SPR is equal to angle PQR plus angle PRQ. This is the exterior angle theorem. Now angle SPR is given to be 135. Angle PQR we have find out 70 degree plus PRQ. Then angle PRQ will be equal to 135 minus 70. We bring 70 to the left side. Then it is 135 minus 70 is equal to 65. From here we get angle PRQ is equal to 65 degree. It was the first question. Now we come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, in figure angle X is 62 degree. Here the figure is given, triangle XYZ is given, where the vertex angle X is 62 degree. Angle XYZ, this whole angle is of 54 degree. If YO and ZO are bisectors, YO is bisector of angle Y and ZO is bisector of angle XZY, respectively, of triangle XYZ. Find angle OZY and YOZ. We are to find out angle OZY, that I have written OZY as angle 2, and YOZ I have taken it as angle 3, and OY is bisecting angle XYZ. Then angle OYZ I have taken to be angle 1. See here, this is angle 1. This is angle 1. Now YO is bisector of XYZ. YO is bisector of XYZ. Then angle 1 will be equal to half of angle XYZ. Because OY is bisecting this angle, then this angle will be half of this full angle. Then angle 1 is equal to half of angle XYZ. And XYZ was given to be 54, then angle 1 is equal to half of 54, it is equal to 27. Now angle YXZ plus angle XYZ plus angle XZY is equal to 180. This YXZ, XYZ and XZY, these are the three angles of the triangle XYZ, and sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree, we know that. Then we put the values that we know. We know the value of YXZ, it is 62. We know the value of XYZ, it is 54, and we are to find the value of XZY, and the sum of these three angles is equal to 180. We call this as angle sum property of triangles. Angle sum property of triangles is sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. From here we will get the value of XYZ is equal to 180 minus 62 plus 54. We have brought this 62 and 54 to the right side. This XZY is twice of angle 2 also, because OZ is bisecting XZY. Therefore, twice of angle 2 is XZY. Therefore, we have written angle XZY is equal to twice of angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 62 plus 54. Now, after subtracting here, we get 64. 62 plus 54 is 116. 10 minus 6, 4. And here 7 minus 1 is 6. Therefore, from here we get angle XZY is equal to twice of angle 2 is equal to 64. Now, angle 2 is half of XZY. You know that angle 2 is half of XZY. We have got the value of angle XZY to be 64. Then angle 2 will be half of angle XZY. Then it will be equal to angle 2 is 64 by 2. Angle 2 is half of XZY. Half of 64, it is 32. Angle OZY is equal to angle 2. Angle OZY is equal to angle 2 is equal to 32. Now clearly see here in this figure, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, because these are the three angles of triangle OYZ. Then we put the values that we know. We know the value of 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 is 27, angle 2 is 32. We put these values. From here we get angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 27 plus 32 we take on the right side. Then this sum is subtracted from 180. 180 minus 59 is equal to 121. Then from here we get the third angle of triangle OYZ. That third angle is angle YOZ is equal to angle 3 is equal to 121 degree. Then the next question is question number 3. In figure, if AB is parallel to DE, angle BAC is equal to 35. This angle is 35, and angle CDE is 53. Angle CDE is 53. Find angle DCE. We have to find angle DCE, means we have to find angle this angle 1. You know that AB is parallel to DE and AE is intersecting it. Then angle 35 is equal to angle 2. From here we get the value of angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to 35. Now 1, 53 and 2 are the three angles of triangle CDE. Then by angle sum property, angle 1 plus 53 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. From here we will get the value of angle 1. See here, angle DEC is equal to angle BAE, DEC. These are the alternate interior angles, because AB is parallel to DE. Therefore, these alternate angles are equal. From here we get angle DEC is equal to 35. Angle 2 is equal to 35. 1 plus 53 plus 35 from here is equal to 180. And from here after solving we get angle 1 is equal to 92 degree. Angle 1 is equal to angle DCE is equal to 92 degree.